Put in YouTube, you'll be famous. There you go. And subscribe to Magdaleno Adventures. Oh, whew, that one went away. Oh man, bad. Wants to come back. Hey, come on! Oh my God! Oh, it's gone.